Hey, car enthusiasts! Welcome back to another episode where we dive into the best tips and tricks to keep your beloved vehicle in top shape. Keeping your car rust-free isn't just about aesthetics. It's about ensuring the longevity and safety of your vehicle too. A rust-free car not only looks great but also performs better and is safer for you and your family. Today I'm diving into the top tips to keep your car looking fresh and rust-free. First up, wash your car regularly. It might sound simple, but washing your car removes dirt, salt, and other contaminants that can lead to rust. Regular washing is your first line of defense. Pay special attention to the undercarriage where salt and grime tend to accumulate. This area is often overlooked, but is crucial in preventing rust. Next, let's talk about waxing. Waxing your car adds an extra layer of protection against the elements. Think of it as a shield against moisture and road salt. It helps to keep the paint intact and prevents rust from forming. Aim to wax your car at least twice a year, ideally in the spring and fall. This ensures that your car is protected throughout the year, especially during harsh weather conditions. Now check for any paint chips or scratches. These can be gateways for rust to start forming. If you spot any, touch them up with some matching paint. It's a small step that makes a big difference. Ignoring these small imperfections can lead to bigger problems down the line. Touching up paint is easy and can be done at home with a little patience and the right tools. Another hot tip is to apply a rust-proofing spray to the undercarriage and other prone areas. You can do it yourself or get it done professionally. Either way, it's a solid investment in your car's future. Rust-proofing sprays create a barrier that prevents moisture from reaching the metal parts of your car. Don't forget to keep your car dry. Moisture is a major culprit when it comes to rust. If you can, park in a garage or use a car cover. Keeping your car dry is essential, especially during rainy or snowy seasons. And if your mats or carpets get wet, dry them out as soon as possible. Wet interiors can lead to rust from the inside out. Look after your wheel wells and fender edges too. These areas are often neglected but are prime spots for rust to take hold. Spray them down with a hose to remove any buildup. Keeping these areas clean can prevent rust from starting. Lastly, get your car inspected regularly. Professionals can spot early signs of rust that you might miss. Regular inspections can catch rust early and save you money and hassle down the road. So, wash regularly, wax, touch up paint, use rust-proofing spray, keep it dry, and get it inspected. Follow these tips and your car will stay rust-free and looking sharp for years to come. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more car care advice. Thanks for watching and happy driving. Remember, a little maintenance goes a long way in keeping your car in pristine condition. So take care of your car and it will take care of you. Until next time, keep those cars shining and rust-free. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more car care advice. Thanks for watching and happy driving. See you in the next video.